JoyJoy English.
Hello, friends! Do you like animals? I love them! Today, we're going to learn about wild animals. I came by searching for them, but it's already nighttime. I'll use my torch to find them. Let's learn about wild animals. I wonder what we'll find in the jungle tonight.
There's a silhouette over there. Which animal would that be?
It's a lion. Lion. The lion is the king of the jungle.
Wow! Look who we found hiding in the leaves.
It's a lion. Can you make a sound like a lion?
I see another silhouette over there. Let's find out what animal that is.
It's an elephant. Elephant. The elephant is huge. Elephant. It's an elephant, the biggest animal in the jungle. Can you make the sound of an elephant with me?
Let's see what other animals we can spot.
It's a giraffe. Giraffe. That's quite a neck, isn't it? Giraffe.
A transcription for this 8-second video is provided below. Look, it's a giraffe. Did you know?
Let's see what we'll find in this tree. It's a monkey. Monkey. Monkeys are so funny. Monkey.
Monkey, monkey. Can you say monkey? Monkey.
Let's see what's down there. It's a crocodile. Crocodile. Look at those teeth. Crocodile.
Look, kids, it's a crocodile. Can you hear its jaws snap? Wow, that was loud.
There's another silhouette. What would that be? A gorilla.
Gorilla.
Gorillas are very strong. Gorilla. Wow, look who I found hiding here. It's a gorilla.
Can you make a gorilla sound? Let's keep searching for animals. Over here. A zebra. Zebra stripes are so cool. Zebra.
Do you know what this is? It's a plain zebra. Look at those stripes. Let's see if we can spot more wild animals. A tiger. Tiger. Tigers are fierce. Tiger.
Wow, look who I found hiding in the jungle. It's a tiger. Can you make a tiger sound with me? What else have we got here?
A rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. My, look at that horn. Rhinoceros. Wow, look. It's a rhinoceros. Let's see if there's another animal around. Sure there is.
A bear. Bear. How big is that bear? Bear.
Wow, look! It's a brown bear. And listen, that's the sound a bear makes. I think there's one more animal around here.
A wolf. I love wolves. Wolf.
Look, everyone! It's a gray wolf. They make a howling sound like this. Have you seen how many animals are there? Let's recap so you won't forget them.
Lion. Elephant. Well, fun.
Giraffe.
Monkey. Crocodile. Gorilla. Zebra. Tiger. Rhinoceros. Bear. Wolf.
That's all, friends. I think it's time to go back home.